Did someone complete a data migration or some type of file system reorganization without using Link Fixer Advanced? And did this result in thousands of broken links in your files? If so, is it too late for Link Fixer Advanced to help you? No, it's not too late because Link Fixer Advanced has a disaster recovery mode. Now, just to be clear, if you haven't yet started your file migration or file system reorg, you should use Link Fixer Advanced before you do. And that will make your life much easier. For more on this, watch Link Fixer Advanced video number 1, Protecting and Auto-Restoring File Links Millions at a Time. But if you already have broken links, you're on the right video. Link Fixer Advanced has a feature called Modify Links, which can be used to fix links that are already broken. It is the fastest known way to accurately both fix broken links so that each link points to where it's supposed to, thereby recovering missing data and allowing all your users' file links to work again. It can save you hundreds, perhaps even thousands of man-hours trying to restore broken links manually or by using some search and replace tool. Here I have a file that contains broken links. Let me show you how to use Modify Links to select these sample files and quickly fix all the links. Alright, so in Modify Links, I've selected these folders that contain my sample files with the broken links. Now I also have the option to select these filters for files and for links. The default setting selects a specific set of file extensions. So I'm going to change this to process any files and any link type. In this next section, I create a rule. A rule tells Link Fixer Advanced what to search for and then what to change if a link matches that rule. Here's a rule, so let's enable it. Let's move to the next section, the preview. The preview demonstrates what will happen with a select number of files and their links. This takes several seconds and it reveals a list of files and links along with their link status. The link status before, which is broken, and the link status after, which will be working. Excellent. This next section allows me to review every setting that we've selected or enabled. There's nothing we need to change here, so let's go ahead and run our Modify Links process. It's going to take a matter of seconds to complete. Let me briefly describe each section of this screen. The status section shows the overall file progress with the time it started and completed, as well as the total time elapsed and the number of files that we processed. In the middle of the screen is a result summary. This has 4 pie charts. The first pie chart is broken into 5 categories. Green for modified files that matched our rules. Yellow is for files that were modified but may have aspects we couldn't change. Orange is skipped, which these are files that usually contain no links. Blue is for files that were filtered out. Gray is the number of files that remain to be processed. These 5 categories will add up to the total number of files that we started with. You can always hover over any category to get additional details. The next pie chart is for links. Green is for links that we modified successfully. Yellow is for links that we modified that have additional warning information contained in the detailed reports. Orange is for links that were skipped. Typically, this is when a file in the link is not found, or the link doesn't match any of our rules, or we didn't have permission. Blue refers to links that were filtered out according to our settings. In this next pie chart, we go over the link status. Let's simplify this in its categories. Green represents working and inoculated links. Now, inoculate is a separate process for Link Fixer Advanced. It protects working links from breaking in the future. You want to watch Link Fixer Advanced video number 1, Protecting and Auto-Restoring File Links Millions at a Time, to get the full picture. Back to the categories. Blue refers to working and unprotected links. Again, these links should be processed by the inoculate process to protect them from becoming broken. In this case, even though our links haven't been inoculated, the blue color tells us that they were fully working, and that means the goal of this process was successful. Yellow links are broken but inoculated links that can be fully automatically restored. Red is a category for broken and unprotected links. These are going to require additional rules and processing so that they can become working and unprotected links. If after running modify links you see some red in your pie chart, this likely means you need to go back and write some rules that will include those links that were not fixed, thereby turning them into working links, which will be the blue color. If you want to be protected in the future, you would need to run inoculate, which is covered in that other video I pointed out a little bit ago. Lastly, the gray category is typically folder, email, and web links, or any other unsupported type of link. The fourth pie chart describes all the links into 5 distinct categories according to their function. We also provide summary and detailed reports in the left-hand section underneath the process section. Now, our process has completed. Let's minimize the screen and go and take a look. Did it modify all of our links and the original file? And as you can see, it worked. Now that is only a very small demo, and in actual fact, LinkFixer Advance's real power comes from its amazing speed. Just imagine a scenario with thousands or even millions of broken links just like these. After a data migration, LinkFixer Advance can literally save the day by quickly and easily modifying any broken links. Contact one of our representatives today to find out more.